Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive and disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws to take the hard drive out of the system. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the system and secure it with the 4 screws. Reconnect the cables and relatch the front bezel. Slide the side cover on the system and secure it with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.